A common question is, do I need planning permission for my garden room? A simple answer is, generally speaking, no. And as a general guideline, if you keep it a metre away from your boundary and keep it at the overall height under 4 metres, you won't need planning permission. However, if you're slightly restricted for space or want to put it closer to your boundary, any part of the building within 1 metre of your boundary line needs to be under 2.5 metres. Any part over a metre can be up to 4, as we said before. So for example, this building here is a single pitch building. Now, because it is lower at the back and higher at the front, we can put it closer than a metre because the distance to the back, the height of the back wall is under 2.5 metres. So this customer has decided to put it 600 mils to his boundary. However, if we look at an apex building where the ridge height is over 2.5 metre, this one's 2.6, we have to leave a full metre to the boundary fence. However, on the eaves, because the eaves are running down away from the ridge, the height of the eaves is only about 2.2, and so they can put it within 600 mils of their boundary on the side. This is a good guideline for whether you need planning permission. It should also be said that if you live in a conservation area, chances are you will need planning permission of some description.